How to find Hostinger promo code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Hostinger promo code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Hostinger is a reliable and affordable web hosting company that offers various hosting plans suitable for different customer needs and requirements. To save on Hostinger hosting services, customers can redeem promo codes, choose a premium or business plan, and check the sales section for live discounts. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for couponcode.in.com/store/Hostinger. Now, scroll through and in the interface that you will be led to, search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Hostinger official website during your checkout. And as you can see, I can now get extra 7% off with the Hostinger newest promo code. So, this is how you can find Hostinger promo code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, please subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.